Good morning. Okay, I was in the middle of getting ready this morning to start my day. I have some errands to run and stuff, and I just had to stop and take a minute because I don't know about y'all, but around the holidays, it's much needed. Don't get me wrong. I've needed this time off of work. I've needed this time away from school. However, all the food, the drinks, the sweets, the staying up late, it's catching up to me. So I was in the middle of getting ready and I was like, okay, wait, I need to take a minute. I'm about to make me some hot water, some lemon, and I'm gonna do my devotional, and then the day can commence. Cause child, I'm getting wore out. Okay, now that I feel like I actually did something to benefit my body and soul, I can get my day started today. If you have not already, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Now that we have that out the way, as far as my trademark goes, so if you haven't already, check out my Boss Vibes vlog series, my very first vlog. I took you guys with me to meet with my trademark attorney, and we're just talking about where we are in my trademark status. Right now, I'm in the Notice of Allowance stage, and in that stage, the Trademark Office is requesting that I submit specimens or samples to them. So that's basically me showing them how I intend to use my trademark in a business form. So my attorney has recommended that I provide some photos of actual products with my trademark name on the material, so branded material, as well as a website. So if you guys have watched that other vlog and you know anything about my story up until now, I have previously submitted a trademark for a name, and while that was under review with the Trademark Office, I purchased hang tags, I purchased stickers, I purchased all this flyers, mailer boxes, all of this stuff, and my trademark got denied. So I have boxes and hang tags and stickers and all of this stuff that I can't use because I don't own the name. Now that I'm in the process of solidifying my new name, I was really adamant about not buying a whole bunch of stuff with this new name on anything until I legitimately have the paper in hand saying I own the rights to this name. So instead of buying 100 boxes or 250 boxes or 500, 1,000 boxes and hang tags and all this stuff, I bought one sample box. I had already designed my mailer box, and so I just updated the design with my new name on there. I have hang tags and stickers here, and with those, it was cheaper for me to just buy a small amount, like 25 or 40 of those, instead of just buying a sample. So for my website, I'm probably going to be using Wix as a hosting site. I'm debating between Wix and Shopify, but probably to start, I'll be using Wix. And what they do is they offer templates that you can go in and customize and make them your own. So what I did for my website is I got a template off of Wix and I just customized it. So I made it my branding colors. I put my logo in there. I put my products in there, my product descriptions, my about me section, my shipping and return policy, all of that stuff. I have spent the last week or so going in there and making everything my own. Where I am with this whole process is I'm not sure if I want to do my own website or if I want to hire someone to make a website for me. So that's why I decided to, just for this purpose with the trademarks, to go ahead and just use the template and customize it and make it my own. I linked my domain name to it so that we can send that over to the Trademark Office. As far as my hang tags and my mailer boxes, I have to really sit with this stuff and decide the aesthetic that I want my brand to have. You have to realize that when I initially made the mailer box design, we made the hang tags and the stickers. This was almost 2 years ago or more when I submitted for my original name. So I need to really spend some time and think about what I want the brand aesthetic to feel like, how I want my customers to feel when they open up that box or when they open up their hair. So that is why I'm just going with what I have for right now to submit to the Trademark Office, and then I can figure out the branding and the designing and all of that stuff after this. But like I said, I don't feel comfortable with doing all of that stuff first, and guess what if the name gets denied again? Even though I know it is not, I'm not even gonna speak that, but you have to be practical in business. So for the samples, what I have decided to do is I have some bundles of hair, some frontals, some closures. I am going to put these stickers, the wraps on here, the hang tags on here, take the pictures and send that over. So I have some curly hair, I have some natural wavy hair, I have a natural wave here, I have a closure here, and a frontal here. So we're gonna get this stuff tagged and all of that good stuff. We're gonna take some pictures and we're gonna send this over to my attorney. So let me open up this stuff, and I hope it's right, y'all, because honestly I've had this stuff for a minute and I didn't open it yet because I knew I wanted to do a video about it. So let's see what we have here. Uh-oh. Well, this is wrong already. This is wrong already. But that's okay. We're about to make this work. That's okay. We're going to make it work for these pictures. And see, like, what if I ordered 250 wraps and they was wrong? You got to think about that type of stuff. Okay, we got some hang tags here. Okay, should I open the box now, you guys? Since I'm opening everything, let's do that. Okay, so you see, the name of my company is Trust Hair Company. So that is what everything has on it. I'm gonna put this box together real quick, and we'll just put that to the side so that we can take pictures of that in a minute. Okay, so this is my mailer. When you ship it out, even if it doesn't look like this, in a couple months, it's gonna probably look very similar to this. So again, the name of my company is Trust Hair Company, and this is the box. We're gonna take a picture of this and send it over to my attorney so she can submit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is take some of these hang tags and put them on the frontals and the closures. See that here? Now, this is where my crafting skills are about to come in handy because the stickers are too big. They're supposed to be able to wrap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use kind of some of the dimensions that I previously had on my old wraps, and I'm going to just use that so I can stencil it out, and then we're going to cut. One of the reasons that I think that the Trademark Office requires you to submit samples is, number one, I think that they want to see how you intend to use it and make sure that you're using the trademark in the same way that you have applied for it. So there's different classes of trademarks. You apply for a trademark for different things. Like, I can't say, oh, I have Trust Hair Company and then I'm going to start a grocery store that's Trust Hair. Like, you can't do that. You have to use it for what you have applied for. But also, I think that they want to make sure that people aren't just going out here buying trademarks up so that they can sue people. Sure, there will be some people that just want to go out here, buy a name, and have no intentions to do anything with it. So I think that they want to make sure, hey, like, you have good intentions with this. You're not just going to buy up a name because you can and then like sue anybody that you see possibly using that name and then make a living off of that or whatever. Like, I think that they want to make sure that your intentions are correct. So let's get these other bundles bundled up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a bob with this little hair. I think I was gonna make a U-part bob with it. This is going to be the pictures for the samples. I really think that this is good enough to just show them the idea. Okay, so now we're going to take some pictures so that we can send it over to the attorney and so she can submit to the trademark office. Okay, so now that we have those pictures, I'm about to send those to myself, and I'm going to email my attorney all of those pictures as well as the website link, and then she can submit this to the trademark office, and hopefully after that I'll be receiving a nice certificate with a completed trademark in my name, in my company's name, so that we have everything. So I'm about to send those to myself and then send those right over. Thank you so much for watching this video. I promise to keep you guys updated with everything with this trademark and everything with the next steps of my business. Again, if you haven't already, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.